This change in mindset is literally a hack for all the goals that you want to achieve. This is the building blocks of self-improvement. And when you get this mindset hack, it's really going to change the game for you. So let's get straight into this video. That's me in Thailand, double biceps, front double bicep, boxing gloves on. You know how we do. That's just showing the mindset right there. So there's two ways you can look at problems. Number one, it's happening to me or it's happening because of me. Now, usually, the type of mindsets you're going to have, the characteristics of these people, is going to be winner versus loser. That's the main point of this. But winner and loser, it all starts with this is how you think about problems. So you're either thinking it's happening to me or it's happening because of me. Very, very important. Have you ever met a professional victim? Always complaining, always moaning, always late, always relaxing. It's not my fault. Blames everything else other than themselves. If they're late, it's because of traffic, got out of bed on time, didn't get to sleep last night. It's always an excuse. And then when something does actually genuinely happen out of their control, it just fills that full personality permanently. Always complaining about it. And I want to make something clear. There's a difference between complaining and sharing your problems. If you're confiding in somebody and sharing your problems in the hopes of brainstorming a plan that you're taking accountability of to get out of that, there's nothing wrong with that. You can do that. But if you're just complaining and you've got no desire to change your actual problems yourself with any actionable steps, then nobody wants to hear that. And you're not helping yourself doing that. You're just painting yourself as a victim. So this is the difference. Now this character thinks it's happening to me because it's late, or it was the traffic, or something happened last night, or I didn't get to bed on time. But it's never, it's happening because of me. And they've just got an excuse lined up for everything. Every single problem they have an excuse for. This is the loser mindset. Then on the flip side, you've got it's happening because of me. This person, rarely late, and when he is, it's his fault. Always working because he's responsible, doesn't make excuses, trusted, respectable, accountable. And this is just simply from the mindset change. Because if this person gets hit by a car, something that's not their fault, what they say is, I shouldn't have crossed the road there. But the other person gets hit by a car and it's their personality for the rest of their lives. Now this is an extreme. I'm not talking about getting hit by a car and dying. I'm talking about a minor injury. But this is the main thing. Even when the person with this mindset is not in the wrong, they will still take accountability. Because as soon as you take accountability, the problem's ended. Because you've already accepted it. Oh, it was my fault. Move on. Whereas loser mindset over here, something happens and it's, oh, why is it happening to me? Can't do it. Oh, it's because of this thing. And then they use that. It's like these people love when something happens to them because they use it as an excuse for everything. So this is a crazy mindset shift. And what it's going to help you do is maternalize the things as a problem and realize it's because of you. Because when you actually identify the problems because of you, then you're able to fix it. Whereas when you're blaming it on external things, then it was something else, someone else's fault. This event happened, this thing happened. So this simple way of answering every single problem and looking at, look, is this happening to me or is it happening because of me? This is the way that you need to think about your problems. Because when you're able to take accountability, you don't sit there crying, you get to work and fix it. So the main point of this is to being conscious on being accountable and be accountable for everything. Everybody has problems, nobody gives a fuck. Deep down, nobody gives a fuck. Even those closest to you, if you've got a main problem in your life, they can't fix it for you even if they wanted to, 9 times out of 10. So when you're blaming other people, it's gonna breed a delusional losing mentality because you're blaming exterior things for your mistakes. You're never saying it's my fault. And if you're never identifying where you mess up, then you've got no ability to fix that issue. See, a winner has just lost more, but they've kept improving. A winner's a loser, they just never stopped. Do you understand? Where a loser, they're always losing because they're never able to fix any of the issues. So that's the key difference. So when you blame yourself, you take it on board and fix it. And plus, this is what's going to build your self-confidence. You'll find that when you're taking on problems and then you're fixing them, you're getting the dopamine from fixing that issue and you're building that skill. So that's where you're building real self-confidence. You know, when these people blame everything for the problems, everybody else, it's just their identity for years. Because when it's someone else, it's never resolved. But when it's yourself, it can be resolved. Ruins your self-confidence and you look weak. It makes you look weak. Because people just know, people can smell it on you. It's like a bad smell. So not being accountable, there's no excuses. So the main lesson in that, take maximum accountability for everything. It is your fault. You're allowed to make mistakes, but it's how you resolve those mistakes that's going to give you the mindset that you need to get where you want to go. And yeah, only then can you get to the root cause of the problems that you caused. So yeah, think about it.